I would highly recommend it. It was a game changer. I mean, it was life-saving to me. It was life-saving. Trying not to tear up. It's been a long journey. It has been, because it started at birth. So, and a lot of things the doctors didn't know, I guess, when I was born, like being tongue-tied. Dr. Bean told me I was tongue-tied. I never knew. So, 57 years old, find out you're tongue-tied. First, I was like, oh my gosh, the money, what's it gonna cost, And then I got into this whole guilt thing. Okay, can't take that money away from my family, but they were all saying, go for it. When I would talk to people, I would always, this way. Not try to look somebody straight in the face, or when you smile, make sure you close your mouth. School pictures. It was like, make sure you smile with your mouth shut, the teachers. So I'm like, okay, I get it. Then I started having like real bad migraines, and they were horrific. I mean, I would be out like 6 days out of the month from school with migraines, because they would last for days. And just a lot of face pain, and that went on forever. I mean, confidence I had none. Wanting to work in places that not really a whole lot of, with the public and stuff like that. When I met Dr. Bean, and I felt really, really comfortable with him. Right away, I mean, I didn't feel self-conscious, because he made you feel real comfortable, and it wasn't, oh my God type thing. It was, we're here to help. The staff was fantastic. I mean, I tell everybody, go to Dr. Bean. Wonderful staff. Everybody treats you like family when you go in there. If I had to call on a Saturday, he would come in. Something was wrong, it's come in. I would say it is a game changer, and it's life-saving. Now I can jump in there. I got a grandson that's playing football. He's playing varsity, and he's only a sophomore, and he's the main quarterback. He is doing amazing. So, I mean, I jump right in there and take a picture, and I'm like, that's my grandson. I'll scream it from the stage. I'm a whole lot more confident. I feel like I can join and be out there, practically live. It's a lot of wasted time. So, but like I said, if I could just get it, somebody that's in their 20s, or they're in their grade school, having issues, it's like, parents, take your kids to the dentist, start from the get-go. Or somebody in their 20s, go now. Don't think about it, go, It changes lives.